Welcome back to IT'S CARNATION. Today, we're diving into the ultimate car detailing hacks that will make your ride look showroom ready. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want your vehicle looking its best, this video is for you. Let's start by checking out the essential tools and products you'll need. From microfiber towels to high-quality wax, we've got everything covered. First up, exterior detailing. Start by washing your car with a pH-balanced shampoo to avoid stripping the paint. Washing. Demonstrate a thorough washing technique, emphasizing the two-bucket method. Claying. Show how to use a clay bar to remove embedded contaminants. Polishing. Explain the polishing process to remove minor scratches and enhance shine. Waxing. Apply wax and show the difference it makes. Now, let's turn our attention to the interior. A clean interior can make your ride feel brand new. First, let's start with vacuuming. Make sure to thoroughly vacuum the seats, carpets, and those hard-to-reach areas. Next, it's time to clean the surfaces. Use appropriate products to clean the dashboard, console, and other surfaces. And finally, don't forget deodorizing. There are various options to deodorize and freshen up the interior, so choose one that suits your preference. For those final touches, check for any missed spots and do a final wipe down. Remember, detailing is all about the little details. Here are some additional tips. To maintain the shine and keep your car looking great longer, consider using protective sprays and always keep a microfiber cloth handy for quick touch-ups. And there you have it. Your car is now looking amazing thanks to these detailing hacks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to IT'S CARNATION for more awesome car content. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Comment below with your favorite detailing tip or any hacks you swear by. See you next time. Check out these other videos and don't forget to subscribe. Keep your car looking its best with more tips and tricks from IT'S CARNATION. See you soon!